Father's Day is fast approaching. Now, if you haven't put much thought into what to get the man who helped raise you, don't panic. I can help. I've assembled a carefully curated list of must-haves for when dad's on the job or he's working around the house or he's even just, relaxing on the weekends. And even better, I broke it down by price level, so I'm going to get started with gifts under $50. The first one on my list is the Skil Twist 2.0 cordless screwdriver. I think Dad's going to love this because it's such a unique tool. It's going to save Dad time and frustration on a wide range of jobs. If he's masochistic and likes to put together that IKEA furniture, it's about $30 and you can get it online anywhere. If your dad likes a nice whiskey, Pendleton has its original, which is like a $31 bottle, and it consistently hits above its price point. The original blend is what started it all, and it doesn't hurt that glacier-fed spring water is added from Mount Hood, which is Oregon's highest peak, before bottling. He's going to love this medium-balanced whiskey, and it just makes a great gift. If your dad likes to work in the shop, then the MicroJig Gripper 3D Push Block is going to be a really cool tool. We got this in-house. It assembles easily, and it lets you manipulate boards through your table saw, router table, or joiner. No matter how good or experienced you are, running smaller boards over or through a spinning blade is just dangerous. So this tool provides quick adjustability for keeping you safe without changing the way that you like to work with wood. This tool's around $50. Now finally on our under $50 list is the Grundens Species Sandal. I don't know about your dad, but mine loves sandals. This particular sandal pays homage to game fish species with fish-inspired colorization that matches the catch. You've got 4 color options and they each come with their own custom etching insignias. They kind of just make it fun when you hit the water. They also offer a comfortable shock-absorbing footbed. And they have non-marking outsoles to deliver good traction, and the price is reasonable. They're just $50 a pair. If you want to spend a little bit more, then I've got a list of gifts under $100. And I'm going to start this off with the 511 Tactical Apron. This 511 Tactical Apron comes with pockets, a web panel to hold your essential tools, and a loop panel for your Pitmaster name tape. It's really, really cool. I mean, come on, a tactical apron? Best gift ever. $55 at 511. If your dad likes to travel, I really like the Matador Gear Cube set, and it's a 3-pack. And the idea behind this Gear Cube set is to provide a way to efficiently organize and stow things like gear, equipment, or clothing. You can use them on camping trips, overseas travel, or really anywhere that you want to compress clothing and gear while you're on the go. You can get them for $55. For sporting events or hanging out and watching the kids play, the Magellan Outdoors XL Director's Chair is extremely well built. Now, I'm not saying your dad needs 500 pounds of support in a camping chair, but that says a lot about the durability of this one. I love the integrated carry strap, so you don't really need a cumbersome bag that you have to pack everything back into when you're done. Pick this one up for $60 direct from Academy Sports. All right, now we're going to move on to Father's Day gifts under $250. So if you want to spend a little bit more, this is the place you want to look. And I want to start with the Knix Boots dinner set. Now this one falls right on the line at $100. You can get them in brown and black leather, and the quality material is built to last many years. Each set includes 4 square leather coasters, square placemats, and napkin rings. One of the most fun gifts this year that I actually am giving my dad is the Gerber Custom Fastball SV30 knife. Now the Gerber Fastball is a great EDC, but it gets even better when you can customize the handle material, the color, and the blade. And more than that, you can add a laser etched logo to the handle and even customize the blade with text. You can find it for between $135 to $278 direct from Gerber, depending on how you customize it. For $139, you can get an Uncharted Supply First Aid Plus kit. And this is a great combination first aid kit and survival kit wrapped in one. Within, you get a full suite of first aid items plus a heaping collection of tools designed to help you out of a pinch. And that includes a flashlight and a multi-tool, as well as matches and duct tape. First aid kit, survival kit, who cares? Dad's gonna love this thing. The Tumbler Knife Sharpener really caught my eye this year, and their starter set runs $159 direct from Tumblerware, or you can get it online elsewhere. The all-in-one Tumbler starter set includes the Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener, which is a unique product that you roll back and forth with the blade magnetically attached to an angle that sets it at either 20 or 15 degrees, so that you can do EDC blades and even specialty blades or fillet knives. And more than just a knife sharpener, it's actually one of the easiest systems I've ever used, and it provides a nice, consistent edge. Sometimes you need a way to plunge cut into wood or cut off a piece of metal, and nothing does that better than an oscillating multi-tool. Flex uses a sensor-free brushless motor in their 24-volt model that oscillates accessories up to 20,000 OPM. Moving away from variable speed dials, Flex goes with 5 electronic speed controls positioned just above the battery. And I like how easy it is to check your speed without having to turn the tool around. Dad will love Flex's balance of performance, design, and value. This is one of the most compelling oscillating multi-tool options currently on the market, particularly when you compare it to higher priced options from Festool and Fine. You can find it for $199. I remember the first time I used a cordless ratchet instead of a socket wrench. It changed my entire outlook on mechanical projects. Ridgid has a full line of cordless ratchets for its 18-volt system, from standard to extended reach, and even high-speed models. They offer a comfortable, secure grip, and they alleviate the monotonous back-and-forth motion of a socket wrench while saving you time. As a cherry on top, Ridgid's competitive pricing and lifetime service agreement make these ratchets a fantastic value. You can pick these up for $249 at Home Depot. The Yeti Loadout GoBox 30 gear case is the Goldilocks of the company's cargo family. Sized for every river, hunting, or overland trip, you're going to be able to use it as a camp pantry, camera equipment case, first aid kit, or tackle box. It's dustproof, waterproof, and virtually indestructible. You can pick this awesome Father's Day gift up for $250. Finally, if your last name is Rockefeller, or you're trying to secure your inheritance, or perhaps you're the kind of person that if you drop a $100 bill on the ground, it's just not worth your time to pick up, we've got a few gifts for you as well. First off is the DJI Power 1000 Power Station. Now this gift for Dad is a high-performance portable power station that's ideal for any outdoor enthusiast. It's got a capacity of 1,000 watt-hours. It provides reliable power for camping trips or outdoor events, or even as a backup generator during power outages. You get multiple charging ports, including 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As, and a couple of AC outlets. And that really makes it a versatile tool for charging various devices or even running small appliances. You can pick it up for $699. If you think your dad would benefit from having a dash cam, check out the ThinkWare Arc front and rear dash cam, both on the front and rear cameras that records with excellent color balance and contrast. You can also capture video evidence triggered by impacts or motions while your vehicle is parked, or you can enable a time-lapse recording. Lastly, it's got app control that lets you interface with the camera via your smartphone to capture and control the settings. Now, this is one of the more difficult ones to set up, and it may interfere with Apple CarPlay functionality due to its Wi-Fi interface, but we still really like the features and the value at $280. If your dad's a hunter, he's going to love the Maven CRF1 2400-yard rangefinder. It rounds out their classic series lineup and fills the needs of archery and firearm hunters alike who are looking to pair a versatile, compact, and intuitive rangefinder with their favorite C-Series glass. It's easy to use through the quick access menu, and the auto black-red display ensures visible readouts in almost any environmental condition. You can pick it up for $295 direct from Maven. Now, 2 tools that we use very frequently around the shop here are available in a combo kit, and that's the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Gen 4 hammer drill and impact driver. It's the latest and greatest that Milwaukee has to offer in terms of driving and drilling. You get the 2904 hammer drill, which upgrades both speed and torque compared to the previous model, and even adds kickback control. So it makes an already great tool even better and safer. The 2953 impact driver picks up some speed while maintaining 2,000 inch-pounds of torque. The kit gives you both tools, 2 5 amp hour batteries, a charger, and a hard case for about $349. Listen, is your dad still using a gas lawnmower? If so, consider the Ryobi 40-volt HP Crosscut all-wheel drive lawnmower. Now, Ryobi made a massive leap forward in lawnmower performance with the launch of its 40-volt HP brushless line, and particularly with its crosscut mowers. It gets even better with the all-wheel drive self-propelled model. And just to sweeten the deal for Father's Day, Ryobi is offering a discount off the normal kit price. You can now get it for around $699. Which brings us to our final recommendation, and this one is really cool, the Ego mini bike. This 56-volt mini bike is a sleek electric mini bike that's both fun and practical. All right, maybe not practical, but it's really, really fun. It's powered by a 56-volt lithium-ion battery and offers a smooth ride with an impressive 28 miles per hour max speed and as much as 20 miles of range. Plus, it holds 2 batteries up on top and 1 on the side, so that you have 3 batteries in total for backup. The price is just under $2,000, and you can pick it up at Acme Tools or Lowe's. Well, that's our recommendation for the best tool and gear gifts for Father's Day 2024. Hopefully it was helpful for you. Hopefully there's something on that list, and I'm sure there was, that's going to at least give you an idea or stir some imagination of something that would make for a wonderful present for your dad. Now, I'm sure you've got some great gift ideas of your own that weren't included here. Go ahead and leave one of those in the comments below. And be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tool reviews, buying guides, and head-to-head tool comparisons. And as always, thanks for watching.